You might think this sparkling rainbow and cloud is my own creation, but it's actually from an official Lego set, the Magical Transparent Box 11040. All the bricks in this set are sparkly and shiny. It's what makes every build feel a little bit magical. Let's see what else comes in this magical transparent box. Not only the bricks are shiny and clear, but even the bags are see-through too. When I look at them, they remind me of yummy gummy bears. Okay, let's open the bags and see how beautiful are the pieces. Let's build a star fast. It really catches the light. Those transparent pink pieces make the heart look like a little gem. Next, I have a little ghost. Ooh, so spooky. Now I'm building cute little mermaid. Can you guess what is next? A mini unicorn. A tiny horn really adds a little detail. These builds all are included in the instructions, but the set has enough bricks to create even more. A shooting star. A dolphin. An ice cream. A beautiful flower. A magical castle. Cute little owl. And a rocket. Finally, I'm building rainbow and cloud. All done, it's time to take it outside and let it sparkle. Which one is your favorite? Thanks for watching!